So there's definitely plenty of nails, especially like over in here. So I have no idea if there's going to be anything around here, but you can see the screen here and you could go through the settings there, but we will find out as a test. So okay, it's picking up our shovel, so we want to test that. Make sure, try not to hit it, so don't bounce it like this or you'll get a false positive. So here we go. You want to go like this. The more sensitive you set it, the deeper it can find stuff. Okay, so there's something here. Whoa, looks like it's gonna storm, guys. Let's see if we can find something. We have our pinpointer, so you can use that for a pinpointer, but I also recommend you guys get an actual pinpointer like this. Oh, here we go. So, we found a nail. Look at that. So, that was a nail. I think that was probably it. Yeah, it looks like that was it. So there's something here. Okay, something right here. Let's see if we can find it here. Oh, I think we found it. Not feeling anything, so I think we found it. Okay. So, this is what we found over there. This is the metal detecting kit. They provide you with the batteries you need. Start out with your base. This piece is going to go for your base, and you just simply thread off one of the ends. Once threaded off, go ahead and put it through here. So this is going to go right in between. We're going to have this washer on the other side. Then we're going to feed this through the whole way. Put the washer on here. Put this back on. And now we're going to make it tight. There we go. Tight enough that it's on. Next up, we're going to take this post here and put this through. We're going to push these little metal pins in. This is going to allow us to slide this up. And we'll go ahead and lock that in place on the first rung right here. You can then tighten this up if you want to have it tight. Then you're going to go ahead and place this piece here. This is going to go right in here. We're going to loosen this up. There we go. And pop it like there, make it tight. Put your batteries inside here. All right, our battery's going to look like this. Now we're going to take this plug and we're going to go ahead, slowly turn it until it lines up. Then we push it in, just like that. Okay, so headphones are going to be just for the beeping sound. If you don't want outside noise, you can connect this. If you don't connect it, the beeping sound will be heard by anybody. You also have this piece. This is going to be your last piece that goes on, and this just gives you a nice strap as you're using your unit, so you can just pop that on like normal. Comes with a carrying bag, which is nice, and also your trowel. I must admit, this is a heavy duty digging trowel. Look at this. So I love that it gives 6 inches down, all the way down the till. This is nice. Like this is heavy duty, my friends. Very nice. Well, let's go ahead and test everything out now. All right, so let's go ahead and see if we can pick up anything else. Let's turn this off so it doesn't, because it'll interfere. These can interfere with each other, so you want to have this turned off. Okay, so right here, we found something. All right. Use this. Okay. It might have been pretty deep. I think that was pretty deep. Whatever it is. Mosquitoes are horrible out here, guys. It's hard to, and we don't want to dig up everything that we see. A lot of times we pick up 2 singles, but I believe it's probably just nails. I'm looking just for, without the nail signal, I'm looking for just like a high pitch signal. But we keep getting a lot of nails. Like, this is crazy, this area. Here might be. Oh, no. And for those wondering, here, I will put my ring. So this is my ring. It's, I think, white gold. Let's put it over where there's no nails. So even my white gold comes up. Let's do different mode. Let's try memory. Let's do this. Jewelry. So even some nail signals could be something, but I'm still looking just for that perfect high pitch where there's no. Oh wow, mosquitoes are pretty bad, guys. So I think we're gonna call it, but it's definitely fun. We got lots to check out. Yeah, that whole area over there was loaded with nails.